What's up, you freaking geniuses? So here the problem says, can a triangle have sides with the given lengths? All right, so let's start with this one right here. So we're given 2 inches, 3 inches, and 6 inches. So can we create a triangle from these 3 lengths? Well, for this first problem, the answer would be no, okay? Because the 2 shorter sides, so 2 inches and 3 inches, when they add up, they have to be bigger than the longest side, okay? So 2 plus 3 has to be bigger than the longest side, which is 6. So here we get, is 5 bigger than 6? No, it's not, right? And the reason that the 2 shorter sides have to add up to something that's longer than the longest side is because, well, if we draw the long side first, so let's say this bottom side is 6 inches, and then let's try and draw these little arms really close, all right? So we'll say this is 2 inches and this is 3 inches. So even if this angle right here was 1 degree or something less than 1 degree, doesn't matter, right? Because it's basically like we have these little T-Rex arms right here. Okay, but our little T-Rex arms can't touch because we have this big belly in the way, right? Let's say that's our belly right there. Okay, so that's why the 2 shorter sides have to add up to something that's bigger, that's longer than the longest side. All right, what about the next one? So 11, 12, and 15 centimeters. So the 2 shorter sides, 11 and 12, right? So 11 plus 12 is bigger than the longest side, which is 15, right? So then this totally works. We can totally make a triangle out of these 3 lengths. What about this one over here? So 4 feet, 9 feet, and 5 feet. So the 2 shorter sides are 4 and 5, right? So 4 plus 5, is 4 plus 5 greater than 9? No, it's not. 4 plus 5 is obviously equal to 9. Okay, so the answer here would be no. Okay, and the reason for that is because, again, if we drew the long side, let's say this is 9 inches, and then we drew the 2 shorter sides on top, so let's say this is 4 inches right there, and this is 5 inches right there. You can see there's basically just 2 lines, right? But a triangle needs 3 different sides with 3 angles. And here we basically just have 2 lines sitting on top of the one long line. So that's obviously not what's happening here. Okay, now what about this last one over here? So the 2 smaller sides are 5 meters and 1.01 meters. So 5 plus 1.01, is that bigger than the longest side, 6? Yes, it is, right? 6.01 is bigger than 6. So we can definitely make a triangle out of these, although the angles would be super little. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below.